Puse la cabeza.
Oh my gosh.
Por ese lado.
Do not get too close.
All right, so there's the Fer-de-Lance. It's almost as big as the one that bit me the other day.
Bigger. Wow.
Unbelievable. That is so crazy. So we went from
The most poisonous
snake to the most poisonous spider. So do you want to come sleep in that with me tonight?
Absolutely.
Should I do it? Should I do it?
If you don't look down, it just feels like you're just...
Hanging off the edge of a 100-foot cliff. Siéntate, hijo.
I can't.
Si puedes. You got this. Yep, vas. Eso. We've got about, maybe a 1.5 mile hike. But we're gonna take our time, explore the bushes, explore the trees, explore the animals. Just take our time getting up there. It's not far, but they said it's pretty steep. This tree is full of army ants. They are marching everywhere. Hurrah, hurrah.
Hey,
good job, bud. Good job. That's how you do it, right? That's how you do it.
Look at the size of his eyes. Like the top of them are like yellow, and then in the middle it's like a red, and then on the bottom it's gray.
Look at this baby hummingbird nest.
Complete with
Baby hummingbird.
baby hummingbirds.
So little.
Beautiful. I count 2. Is that how many are in there?
I see 2 beaks. I'm not sure if
2
there's any
beaks.
more down there.
Oh my gosh. We're about halfway up to Diamante Falls. Beautiful hike, super steep, but plants, and as you can hear, I'm getting spit on right now. It feels like it's raining. Maybe it is, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe there's, what is that? Honestly, I think there's a sprinkler over here. Either that or I'm getting peed on by all of these cicadas that are up here making all this noise. About halfway up there, there's this beautiful garden. Plants everywhere. It's a good place to rest. Trees to see, birds to see, baby hummingbirds and nests. It's a good little break. This is a beautiful hike. I found out why I was getting wet. I'm glad it wasn't pee from all the insects that are chirping out here.
That smells like warm macaroni and cheese.
We'll be eating all this stuff later. This is an old shack that they just don't use anymore. That they used to do yoga and meditate. And it has an amazing view that on a clear day, you'd be looking at the ocean right there.
Yoga. You gotta squat. Right?
Is it raining?
No, it's not raining. There is a sprinkler up here, but it really is the cicada pee that we're feeling right now. Feels like it's raining, but...
Wait, that was pee?
Yep, that was pee. I would say we're pretty active.
Yeah.
We walk, we hike, we go to the gym a couple times a year. We like to get outside. But that was a hike.
That was a serious hike. You can stop whenever you want and rest, but it's a lot of stairs.
But I think it's totally worth it.
Totally worth it. This is where we're sleeping tonight. These little caves behind the waterfall. This will be amazing.
This is amazing! Amazing! Right here.
Is this your bed? Are you calling it?
Uh-huh.
Dang.
You and your bed is right here.
Home sweet home.
Woohoo!
That's yours, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, guys, we are legitimately sleeping in a cave behind a waterfall.
Oh my gosh!
This is a huge cave, though. I thought it would be way smaller. It's like big.
Yeah, we've got lots of
I
space
thought
in
it was
here.
going to be way bigger.
Only candlelight for us here in the cave tonight. This is going to be amazing. That's where we're sleeping. And this is where the food is prepared right up there. Full-on kitchen. Sometimes I have to pinch myself. Like, is this really real? Are we really in Costa Rica getting ready to sleep behind a waterfall in this gorgeous, lush rainforest? I mean, this is just you have to come here to experience. There's just no way to really put into words what it's like to be here and to have this amazing opportunity. I'm just so excited for our kids to be able to experience this tonight and just to get outside of their comfort zone and do something that they've never done before. It's gonna make them grow so much. We've got heart of palm. We've got some black refried beans, tortillas. I like it. Cheese, salsa, chips.
Oh, and we're in a cave behind a waterfall.
And that's it.
I almost said watermelon. We had a good lunch. Some of us tried to take a little nap. And now we're heading up to the swimming holes that are up above the waterfall. This hike is no joke.
We started this morning about 600 feet above sea level, and now we're at 3,000 feet above sea level. So we have had quite the hike today. It's been really pretty. He was saying there's about 2,000 stairs, and it's pretty steep.
1,847, 1,848. I hear cheers. Oh, there it is. Beautiful.
The trail comes around here, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to jump into this thing. One. Adios.
So from the pool, it's about 5 waterfalls down to the cave that we're sleeping in tonight.
We are so up here.
We're so high up here.
Amazing.
Woo!
Climbing her up. Look at all those bats. There's bats flying in and out and in and out.
This is so pretty. Look at this. So it's 600 feet down.
We're bungee
Off
cording
this
the
ledge. Wow, now look at the sky. So